Welcome back to Little Toys Big Adventures. It's my birthday today.
It is. What did Mommy and Daddy get you?
Big Barbie house.
Big Barbie
and
house.
Box. There's a dance floor. And this is a really cool elevator. Figured it out very fast. Hey, I just realized there's a blow dryer.
Yep.
Funny. I'll put a break on it. Time to unwrap this present! Oh my gosh. I know what this is!
What is it?
It's a Barbie dream boat.
It is. The thing on top goes up. The
Wait,
thing in the back?
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Oh. Vroom, vroom! No. Girls, we have a surprise for you. Ooh, what? Come see. I'll put that in. And I'll stay out to help the girls. Oh my goodness. We're coming. Oh, look. Chelsea. Here you go, Ellie. Thank you, Elliot. You are Chelsea. Thank you, Mommy. And now we can put her feet in the water. Oh, it's hard to do that. Come on, Elliot. Now, go down. I can't get Elliot all the way. Wrong. On the board, the Barbie fun boat. I love this boat. Best boat ever. Boop, boop.
And they sailed away on a holiday.
Bye. Please subscribe and like this video. Watch more on Little Toys Big Adventures.